how to find location of switched off mobile number. Well, is it even possible? Well, the chances are quite bleak as it is quite difficult and almost impossible to track a phone when it is in switched off mode. So the location can be tracked where the phone was last particularly on, and for that you just have to open up Google Chrome and search for Find My Device. After that, open up the very first link that you will see, which is from Google, and now allow it, and this way you would be redirected to Google Maps and you will be able to open up your location of that particular account which is logged into your device or the phone number which you have searched for. You can play sound on that particular device in order to find it if it is nearby you, and you can also secure that particular device and erase data on that particular device. These are some features given by this particular website. So this is how you can find location of a phone using mobile number. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.